Nanaba. Have you see? Check it. It's not guy who is guy. Guy is somebody who is guy. Master, share me show, baby. Ebi obese na man yi adan na ebia say me say. Nana, Ghana ne no. Opeso ye guy, you have to listen to some people. The whole Ghana, best chief lawyer. The whole Ghana, best chief guy lawyer. Lawyer Ntika Chebombe Isaiah. Today to have come to you, I'm going to show you how to low send high. Low. Oh yeah, what's in the high? Check out. What am I doing in the car? What's some life? I say me banana my guy, but it's here in my more guy and best guy. Gamel Clodin. Me be o happy I Gamel. Home in Ghana. Made in Ghana home. Yes, be a year or baby na. She be try the hair. Oh, sure, yeah. Who said? Sure. This one is hot. African red. You can wear him to church. You can wear him to office. Even we have give you a police collar. Master, don't go to some place and go and buy something. This is called heritage. Amamle and Tonchini. If you throw the heritage away, you have thrown your life away. Let me show you. Woman too is here. Check. And I said, the agent, the original. Why there? Why the check. Can you try me now? I'm nearly poor. Check. Masa. Oh, man, between you. Cause a nipple. I read the picture. That's it. Man is tag. No. Share. Nana. I had na. Wait na. Spectacles. And now. Wait na so ha. Wait the flannel. Bracelet. The chance. Ebi ne. Yes. Somebody's got to ask me now, lawyer, why today you have come to Gamel? This place is hot, Gamel. It is inside the Kumasi Mall. If you come to Kumasi Mall, you and Gasa, if you look at the watch and dine place, if you turn about like this, watch and dine is here. But if you turn about like this, then you have come to Gamel. They have run some promotion. That's what I'm doing. Even the thing already, the price is low, and we are still going to do it. Give you more low because loyalty. Christmas is coming. I want to do you Christmas good. So from now up to the time, more time in December, or even after December time, anything you buy, and you say that loyalty tell you to come and buy, they are going to give you 20% discount. 20, not 5 off. I say hot 20%. All that if you guys go to the website, it's called www.gamelclodin.com. Go there and anything you buy, when you finish, you can pay with PayPal. You can pay with MasterCard and a bill, mobile money.
We accept Western Union and the MoneyGram.
Western Union, MoneyGram, Red Remit, Brave, na debut, mobile money and paper. Nana, how many shops in Ghana can do that? Now, if you want the website to, you see that hey, the price is nice. It's like air conditioning is in the website. if you go there, you and Kasa, you feel that your body have grilled you. Website me a guy. And in here, we expect mobile money. Then you go anything you go and buy, tell him that lawyer when you finish and you come down, they are going to ask you, do you have a coupon or something? Say that yes. Lawyer and tell you and write to praise the Ginulo. If you write Ginulo, that's all. That time you are entitlement for 20% discount. Nana you never know better. You never know be na yen share. Never mo won be. We a madia, ne one. A ma top. I bet me da ko adwuma. Me do nyame. Hwe. O your banner shadow me. Sister. What guy do you want to guide? We over to me that share jeans. Over to me that share khaki. Over to me that share skirt. Hey, guy. I'm a Grammy. They wonder how I do. I'm a Grammy. They wonder how I do. Yini low, na shine no high. Yini low, na no ne high. Yini low, na dini high. Yini low, na fan no high. Yini low, na shine no high. The whole Ghana, only 2 lawyers are guy. Lawyer Ntika Chebombe Isaiah. Number 1. When I finish, then lawyer be there too. If you see him, you know that. Yeah. And also, you know, was high. Send me I'm a guy. Nana, this is the priest. Gamel Clodin. In the go. Where? More way. Logo. From 2013, it's in Yemen. 2013 up to by this time, more than 10 years. It's 13 minus 19, 12. Wow, make sure John come to Gamel. Call the number in the screen. Call anything you want and go to the website in the Yamepa. That's the place that you go, you get hot 20% discount. If you go even the heritage, I have not shown you where. Share if you are in abroad, the weather has become hot. Weather forecast. Right now, winter has come. So you want to buy something that if you wear, the weather cannot enter your body. I want it. Okay. This one we have put mattress shape. Usoma oti huse. Okay. Maybe I also mean can't crunch. Okay. Look at the side. Mattress is inside. And the hand tool is hot. Stretch like this. So if you wear him, then he listen to the weather and know that the weather have become cold. Then he hold your hand and make sure that the weather cannot pass through. This is what we are going to wear to do winter. Maybe you think that you are going to travel. Please don't go before you come and say that the weather have killed you. Bye. Even if you are there already, go to the website. It's there. Heritage. Then click it. Crack. As soon as you buy, they ask you the money. Then that time, put hot, Ginulo in the coupon. Ginulo. That's all. You are going to get hot 20% discount. 20. So all my friends in abroad, this is what I'm give you for my Christmas. My Christmas gift, I'm dash you. I'm for the Christmas. Ginulo for the Christmas. I'm dash you. Free 20% discount. Go to the website. Anything there you buy, anything 20% is top for you. This one is winter. Approach. If you are Ghana man too, and you think that the weather here, you don't like it. And well, maybe you feel cold. You are sitting someplace that the weather is not conducive to you. Please buy. Fifthly, and well, maybe a real in sumo meshe. Obey a guy. An antiquarian of fuck, I saw a guy, and it's all better to be on the jump. Guy. Yeah, that's one crap because of the mattress nation. It's guy quality. Look at that too. Material is collect. You have weave him nice. You don't see that the thing have people or something. No, we make sure that we take time to do the thing very well. So everything is correct. The thing have not popo or do anything. Okay. Let me go and show you the other. We have 2 shops in the mall.
Na shine high, yini low, na no ne high, yini low, na dini high, yini low, na fan no high, yini low, na shine high.
Yeah, so company line can be not here. The company line is hot, is right under here. But if I is going to mention again for you to hear, please.
0557 925022.
Very good. So call anytime company is work. What time do you close? 9 p.m. And you start from hot.
9 o'clock.
9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Call by that time, that line, and talk to her. The company, not somebody. Let me questions be an order. I said, oh, mama, or line, not my friend.
Questions about the company?
My friend, I'm not beside. Okay. Company line, the power line.
Ebusia, maba high Kumasi City Mall, Gamel Clodin na moduno. Yeka Gamel Clodin a Ghanaian fashion brand aye dey and say Ghana has ya na bibia yentade aye bibia ye bia ebe and has a shoe shop. Shoes now hun hani na ye shoes are ya Ghana for near the yensa asom aye they kind of handmade shoes. But the good thing is it lasts for a very long time. It is open shoe, open pabwa, open tadi, be Ghana made, high quality. This is the right place I was over. Hey, don't worry, if you know you are outside Kumasi, there's no worry. Try it. Our website is called gamelclodin.com. Okwa, ukita mobile money, MasterCard, Visa, ubetimi ato ade or honum. Your best ship here, bro. We work with one of the best delivery agencies in Ghana. I DHL. Maybe I will be at Bebro outside Ghana, so I'll be to me shop here. Omo matter idea there. Omunim. Okwa website abu reviews be bre wo honum. Trust me, nyoma hu hen na no. Ghana made and nyoma yankasa betimi aye. So wu som obi asoma Ghana bekoso. And the good thing is loyalty kata Bombay wabaha. Ne ho donti ya man a 20% discount. Obi a obebo ni din a odebeto ade wo website bia no. Adibia beto hobia unya 20% discount. Free. Where for Christmas package. Unimobi. Our person shopping man Christmas. Unimobi. And answer what of be Christmas so to be manam. Just go to the website www.gamelclodin.com. Let's shop it and get a free discount of 20%. Rabusian for a hanaye enter the shimno. Eba Gamel Clodin and Yampabuanko near Yenta. That's why you hear the word clothing. Right? African wear beer who dear shemi a Brimpon club t-shirt. I the African wear now, but trust me, it feel very, very comfortable, right? And Tadia Wahan no, yes, I will be online. I will be able to be a nam lawyer and tikata who don't yes, I'm out there. 20% discount. Uboni dinisho yini low. That's the promo code yini low. Promo code Ubosha Hope. When you're 20% and you're able to be a best shapia bro be our Kumasi, so you are getting free delivery. You can still buy online and now say weekend and as anytime be able to walk in Kumasi City Mall. And you buy whatever you want. We also take orders. It is our special event to be a basso. Now person OJ order and also be media by a bayama your capacity no. And one more when you money na Ghana for our munim at the pam. Our Mako school or more at the pam or money for more yen you mano. And trust me, So open BB Ghana made, high quality at a very cool price. This is the right place to be. Gamel Clodin, the ultimate brand for African fashion.
My papers, like I've told you. This is Gamel Clodin. Go to the website www.gamelclodin.com. If you go there, anything you see there that is from Blue, buy the thing. If you buy to and you can pay mobile money, you can pay MasterCard, you can pay web debit, you can pay with, you can just say all the pay in the world you can use to pay. If you go under the website, it's there. Watch it and pay. Before you pay to, we are going to ask you, are you have some coupon? Say that yes. Cricket and put Ginilo. Nilo. If you write that thing too, you are going to get what? 20% discount. That is the Christmas gift I'm giving to you. Christmas is coming. Very soon. Some months to come is Christmas. Don't go and spend too much money and come and cry that the Christmas I can't eat some. I don't know how to. No. Spend small. Do it high. And then enjoy yourself. So go to the website www.hotgamelclodin.com. Put that thing Unilo inside and get 20% from lawyer and take a check on the Isaiah. I'm seeing you around. When you see me and I've guy myself, you too guy yourself and call me and let me know that you too you have become guy. Let's guy so that the whole Ghana is going to be guy. Let's not jump, okay? Ghana is some country God have blessed us. So let's not jump about the bush. Let's guide ourselves. See you and your mother. Goodbye.